Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off. I mean, you don't have to turn it off, you should hold down power button, and when this turn off menu appears, you should hold down finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, you just tap turn on, and after that, device will be restarted in a safe mode. As you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode and you want to quit it, what you have to do is to just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.